Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update WooCommerce checkout UI using theme templates, full guide step by step clearly. To update the WooCommerce checkout UI using theme templates, start by accessing your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the Appearance section in the sidebar. Click on the Theme Editor option. Locate the theme you are currently using. Open the functions.php file from the right sidebar. Add a new action hook for WooCommerce checkout. Type in the function that will modify the checkout template. Create a new folder in your themes directory called WooCommerce. Inside the WooCommerce folder, create a subfolder named Checkout. You will now copy the checkout template file from the WooCommerce plugin directory. Access the plugin files via your hosting account or a file transfer protocol client. Find the WooCommerce plugin directory. Navigate to the templates folder and then to the checkout folder. Locate the file named formcheckout.php. Download this file and save it to the new checkout folder in your theme. Open the formcheckout.php file in a code editor. Make the necessary modifications to the HTML structure and CSS classes to fit your design needs. You can also add custom fields by using WooCommerce hooks in your functions.php file. Test your changes by going to the checkout page on your site. Refresh the page to see the updated UI. If everything looks good, save your changes and close the editor. For further adjustments, repeat the steps as necessary. Always make backups before making changes to your theme files. Consider using child themes for future updates to avoid losing your customizations. With these steps, you've successfully updated the WooCommerce checkout UI using theme templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.